Mosquitoes, tiny, annoying, and surprisingly complex. There's more to them than itchy bites. Only female mosquitoes bite. Why? They need the protein in blood to grow their eggs. That long nose? It's called a proboscis. It's actually made of 6 tiny needles that pierce your skin. Every mosquito starts life in standing water, puddles, ponds, even bottle caps. No water equals no mosquitoes. Mosquitoes are the deadliest animals on Earth, spreading diseases. They are primary food for a lot of other critters. The best defense? Mosquito nets, repellents, and getting rid of standing water around your home. They're small, but powerful. Understanding mosquitoes is the first step in fighting the diseases they carry.